Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you get voice chat on Roblox without the need of an ID or verification. So let's get right into it. So go over to the site roblox.com/support, basically the contact us or support section of Roblox, the official one. And over here you just have to input your username, your first name, your email address. Make sure this is important guys. Input your email address and confirm it because this is the way Roblox can contact you, so be sure that they are working. So over here, uh, also on the email address, you have to make sure that it is connected to your account, and you just have to select the device that you are on and just select category, chat and age settings, and adjust child privacy and security settings. So over here, you just want to go ahead and say to Roblox that you want to change your or you want to change your age and that you are over 13, so you should be able to have voice chat. In that way they can believe that you need to really use the voice chat because you are in need of that experience. So just basically reason out to Roblox that you want the uh, Roblox voice chat and that you are over 13, but you need to have it in order for you to accelerate your experience in Roblox. So okay guys, so once done with that, you just have to press submit. You just have to wait for a couple of business days for Roblox to reach out to you. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.